I think today we had a very thought-provoking and a very productive session in terms of generating a conversation, starting a dialogue, taking the first step forward towards this mission of capacity building for teacher training in Pakistan for the private as well as the public sector institutions. And iQualify UK and International Centre for Excellence are committed to making sure that we are able to contribute in terms of our resources, our expertise, and our years of learning in terms of delivering online teacher trainings as well. So the PGCert in education is what we hope to be the next pathway for all our teachers in academics. For the academia in Pakistan, it is important to realize that the times and educational times especially have been changing very rapidly. The advent of technology in learning and the instructional design in terms of teaching and learning is something that we all need to adapt to. And for Pakistani public institutions and higher education institutions and professionals within the higher education, it's the need of the times for them to upskill themselves, have the right kind of skills, especially in terms of assessment, curriculum development, pedagogy, andragogy, and the whole engagement of students and the student-focused teaching.